guys. Today we are going to learn creating a custom list. You learned that you can drag the fill handle to generate a series, such as the months of the year, the days of the week, or numbers that have a specific increment value. Suppose if you want to write down the name of the months, only you have to write down the first name of the month or the abbreviation instead of January, you can write down JAN, and then drag and fill the handle. The Excel will write down all the name of the months for you. Similarly, if you want to write down the name of the months in capital letters, so you have to give some clue to Excel that you want to write down all the names of the months in capital. If you want, you can write down vertically or horizontally. Excel will fill up for you. Similarly, if you want to write down the name of the days, so just you have to give clue to Excel what you are looking for. Just write down Saturday. Instead of Saturday, you can write down Sat and then drag the fill handle. Excel will fill rest of the days for you. If you often use a series of elements that are unique to your situation, for example, if you want to write down the name of the subjects, just like English, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, accounting, etc., you can create your own custom list. In order to find out how you have to make your own custom list, you have to go on the File tab and then select Option, Advanced, and in Advanced category you have to find out Journal. So here is the Journal option. Then you have to click on Edit Custom Lists, and here you can see New List. So here you can write down suppose you want to write down English first, and then you have to biology, and then suppose you want to write down chemistry, accounting, math, then click on add and OK. And OK again. Whenever you will write down here English, now Excel knows that you want to write down the names which you have created in your custom list. See, English, biology, chemistry. So we have learned in this video how to create a custom list. And thank you for watching the video.